You asked, how to divide 9341 by 2 using the long division method. 9 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 4670 remainder 1.